Super ganyan na ba kabobo si Ryan Paul Embales, ang principal na kababata ko sa Tagbinan National High School, na tinatawag naming the greatest genius one because valedictorian yan since grade 1 until college. Ganyan na ba talaga kabobo ang edukasyon ng Tagbinan National High School when it comes to the students, to the point na nung pina-entrance exam ka ng FEU at ng University of the Philippines, you fail. Yan ba ang walang tulong, Florigen Cuevas Cuino? I could remember Griselda helping you out of it. Yan ba ang hindi tinulungan? Hindi ka tinulungan mag-aral?